What's good, YouTube? The name is Mali Vibes, that's what you know, and we're back again to my YouTube channel. Yeah, so today is Tuesday, and today is our trading day, as usual, as you already know. Yeah, so today's activity is not going to be much. I'll be going to the shop, I'll go and fix my nose. After that, I'll be going to the gym. Yeah, so I'm starting gym again. I made a gym at my house, but I think I have to go to the gym because if I go to the gym I'll get a gym instructor to guide me on how to build my muscles well. Yeah, I can do it at home. I'll gain the muscles, but I have to build it strong and tight. Yeah. So a PC is on, so I'm going to make my analysis. I don't know why, with this PC, there's something wrong with this PC, this particular one over here. Since last 2 weeks, this PC has not been turning on. I don't know if it's from the hard disk, if it's from the memory. I don't really know. So nowadays I just use my laptop. I have to find a way to fix that machine. Yeah, so I'll be making my analysis this morning. Maybe I can get a trade set up. Maybe I'll get the opportunity to enter the trade. If I don't get any opportunity to enter the trade, then I'll wait for the next day until I get my setup or until I get an opportunity to enter the market. I'm not going to force any trade. I'm not going to force any setup, but I'm going to be patient for the market. I'm going to be patient for the market so that you get a good setup, you get an A+ setup to the highest or to the lowest. Yeah. All is about the strategy, all is about the plan. If what you're doing is correct, you don't even care about the money. All you care about, let me do this and let me see if this thing goes in the right direction. Like, you're only thinking about the movement, like the direction where price is going, but you're not even thinking about how much I gain it. But sometimes I'm thinking about how much I'm losing. Yeah, but most of the time, if you are following your plan, if you are following your strategy, you are following all your risk management, you don't really care about the losing part or the winning part. All you care about is the trade. Like, is this trade going to go to my take profit or to my stop loss? Is this trade right? Like, you don't really care about the profit you're going to make. You don't really care because you have already done your analysis. You have already done your risk management. You have a good risk management plan, so you know how much you're losing on a particular trade, you know how much you're winning on a particular trade. So you're just focusing on if this thing is going to move up. Am I right? You're not even thinking about if I'm right. Yeah, this setup works for me. So let me see if today is going to get there. And if it's get there, you'll be happy. By the end of the day, you'll make some profit. And so last week you gain a whole lot of profit. I think $300 or so within 2 days, and it's cool. Yeah, I started with only $30. So that's how we are flipping. Though I'm planning on getting a new Profim account. Like, I'm planning on buying a Profim account. Then I start a Profim account challenge again, because I remember I bought 2 Profim accounts on this particular channel and I blew all the accounts. Like, I lost all the accounts. Yeah. So this time I'm planning, maybe if not for this week, maybe next week, Monday or next week going in, I'll go to the bank, I'll make some payment, then I come back home and I make payments for the Profim, Yeah. So whilst I can trade in my real account with smaller capital, that means I can trade with a Profim account too. Because Profim, like as I told you, Profim, if they give you $5,000 account, it's not really $5,000 account. It's either 400, 600. So you have to know this, because some people think if you buy a Profim account and they give you $5,000 account, all the 5,000 is for trading. They don't really care about, because that they made a payment for a particular account, like a particular number, and now they have the number, so they think they can just trade anyhow, like how first I used to do. But this time I'm going to do things right. I'll list down, I've already done that, how much I'm going to risk on a particular trade, how much I'm going to gain on a particular trade. I'm not going to set any break even. Like, I'm just going to allow price to go. Even if I don't close the trade and price takes like 2 days before hitting my stop loss, fine, or 2 days before hitting my take profit, I'm cool. All what matters is the strategy is right, my plan is right, I'm not over trading, I'm not over leveraging, I'm not like trying to force a trade. No, just stay consistent and be patient and follow your plan. That's all. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button. I think how to stop this. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Yeah, the notification bell is really going to help a lot. It's going to notify you whenever I post a new video or whenever I post a content. And if you have not liked this video, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to comment down below. The name is Smiley Vibes, as you already know. So let's head on to the chat and let's see what we got for today. Come to the 1 hour time frame. I don't normally make analysis on the 4 hour time frame, mostly daily, 1 hour and 15 minutes. That's what I use for my analysis. So on the 1 hour time frame, you can see even here price is consolidating a bit, and if you look at something like this, price, like you can see price is consolidating. If I take the rectangular box from let me say from here to here, you can see price is in a box. Yeah, so you can see this part is consolidating on the 1 hour time frame. Yeah. So on the 15-minute time frame, because I trade on the 15-minute time frame, so I think I'm best on the 15-minute time frame. Yeah, so on the 15-minute time frame, yesterday price did not make any movement. Like it made a movement but not much. Like it was still consolidated because you can see we have a low over here, high over here. Price came back down to the low, high, low, high, low, high. So we are consolidating in this range over here. So you can see above here is the daily time frame candle, bullish candle, which we are looking for to be taken out as liquidity. And if price does not take here out as liquidity, price can break from this level and continue going up. I've already swept liquidity, which is resting above here, yesterday's candle. We have already swept the liquidity as this. So if I move like this candle, this and this. So if I move to the 5-minute time frame, you can see we have our low over here. We also have another low over here. So if I test this low, like this candle's low, you can see we have 2577.70. And if we come this bearish candle's low, you can see we have 2577.52. So like it's the same lows. Yeah, just a particular number changing, but it's the same lows. Yeah. So this lows has been run out, and we got so we got a market structure shift over here, but we never got price to come back to test that gap. And even price broke a structure from this level, and this level, and we have a fair value gap over here which has not yet been tested. Like, are you getting something over here? I know you are getting something. This is our high, this is our high, this is our high. When it comes to if you are moving up, that's our high. This is our low, this is our low, this is our low. So this high was run out by these candles over here. This candle over here. But we never got a test on this break of structure over here. And when you come to these highs over here, we also got a break. When you come to these highs over here, we also got a break. But see something over here. With this break, we have a fair value gap over here. But with this break, we had no fair value gap. But with this break, we have another fair value gap over here. So to me, I'll be taking this high as my previous high. Like I'll be using this as my high. So let me mark this thing. I don't really do this thing on my chart, but because of you guys, that's why I'm doing this. So BOS. Yeah, so BOS simply means break of structure. So BOS. So this is my BOS, this is my fair value gap. This is my BOS, this is my fair value gap. Yeah. This is my fair value gap. So I'm just looking forward, if price is going to come back down to test this fair value gap, then we continue to the upside, or it comes down. Yeah. And also I'll be sharing this with my free Telegram group. After price has already gotten to my zone, to my opportunity, I'll send this to my free Telegram channel. So if you have not joined my free Telegram channel, you can click in the link in the description to join my free Telegram channel. Yeah, so that's all for my analysis for today. So I'm looking out for these things that I've called out. Price has already swept our liquidities from the low to the high, and now we are looking for a retest inside the fair value gap. Then we are out because we have our breakup structure over here. Even this is not a breakup structure, because we had a break over here. Yeah, so this is our breakup structure over here. So I'm just looking for price to come back to test this gap, then we continue to the upside. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah, so today is going to be a nice day because I'm not sure I'll be here when price get to the zone, because I have to go to work. So I'll be looking, like, I'll be monitoring everything on my phone or on my laptop in my workplace. Yeah, so that's it. Let's see what we'll get today. Take this thing off. Yeah, so I'm on my way to the gym, and right now my alarm just gave me an alert. Time for gym time. 4 o'clock, so I'm on my way. I'll get there soon. Have to work out and build these muscles up. Yeah, so we took a trade this morning. Even I did not set my take profit, I did not set my stop loss because I was using a demo account, and at the end of the day, it did not even take like 10-20 minutes, and I got hit by stop loss. Like, I got to know that, yeah, because I used my eye to gauge my stop loss, because I was not really using my real money to trade. So that's how it is. If I was using my real money to trade by now, I would have set my stop loss and my take profit permanently. But because it was a demo account, I just analyzed the market, and I was just looking at what the market like. I just analyzed the market and just looking at what price is going to do, what the market is going to do. And at the end of the day, yesterday evening, yes, I have remembered. Yesterday evening, I was making an analysis on gold, and I got to know that there are liquidities resting below, and there was also a fair value gap down. So I said, I don't know, but I said maybe price is going to take out that liquidities and fill that fair value gap before it goes up. And this morning I woke up and say I'm looking for price to take out the high liquidities before it goes. No. This morning's own was price has already swept liquidities below, so I'm waiting for price to sweep liquidities above and retest a fair value gap. So that's what I was waiting for price to do, and price came back to the fair value gap that I was waiting for it to retest, and price did not reject from that fair value gap. But I realized that yesterday's analysis that I was doing, that one is the correct one, yeah, because that one I had liquidities resting below, and I had a fair value gap with an order block. So I said maybe price will come and test the fair value gap. If price does not retest from the fair value gap, it's going to test from the order block, and that's what price did today. Yeah, because I was at the shop and I said, okay, let me check my chart and let me see what we got. Let me see how price is moving. I got to know that, yeah, that level that I was looking out for yesterday night, that level just got inside, got to the other block, got to the other block and started retracing back up. So I saw that, then I closed the chart and I went to site. Yeah. So I don't know for now, but when I get home, let's look at how price was reacting. I know some people will say, no, he's lying. I'm not lying. I have the video there. I don't know if you can edit the date and time of a recorded video or a picture, but I don't know. But I have everything on this phone because I was using this phone to record. So I have everything on this one. So when I get home, I'll make a playback. I'll make a playback of that video that I did yesterday night and the video that I'm going to post today. You know, yeah. I'm really tired. I've not even gotten to the gym, but I'm tired. So let's see what we got for today.
Please enjoy the music while your party is reached.